Very warm welcome to Gold Institute of English Language. This session is dedicated to all the engineers of India, and this session is being recorded in order to celebrate Engineers Day. And this is in the form of conversation. I have group of students. They are willing to speak something. And this day, why is this day special in India, and why, in what way we can give respect to engineers? We will talk each and everything in this video. So talking about engineers, the first question, I will be asking some questions to the speakers who are joining us today. They will be sharing their views and viewpoints about what they know about engineers. So this is the question we have. So let us start the video without any further delay. So the first speaker we have with us is Jyotsna. So Jyotsna, I hope you are very happy to join this conversation. And my question to you is, I want to talk to you about who is an engineer, and you tell my audience who is exactly an engineer and what is the real definition of an engineer and who is that person. Please talk to us.
Uh, I'm feeling very grateful to be a part of this conversation. And firstly, everything around us, roads, airplanes, electricity boards, fans, even the slightest things of our life is belonging to engineering. So basically, engineer is someone who can put their art of knowledge into technology and provide supplements to us that we use in daily life. Okay, and engineers are those people, and firstly they were students of science, and engineers are those people who help us to make easier life of ourselves, and everything around us is an art of touch by them. And
You mean from your answer, I have come to know, Jyotsna, engineers are the person who are responsible for planning, designing, and carrying out research work.
yes sir.
Okay, and whatever facilities we are getting, even this video that is being recorded, it is being recorded with the help of camera. We need a lot of apparatus that we need in order to record that video. So all these things have been created by the engineers. They should be very very great people for us. We should be thankful to them because in this day is dedicated to them, and this is why we are recording this session. So Jyotsna, they are engineers are the persons they can carry out research work. That is what you mean to say.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, coming to the next speaker here. Okay, guys, coming to the next speaker who is joining us and in this podcast session, I want to talk to you. And his name is Shreyans, and he is a part of this family, Gold Institute of English Language. So, Shreyans, I want to talk to you for a moment. And my question is to you about I want to know from you, why is Engineers Day celebrated in India, and why this whole nation is excited for that, and we give credit to engineers. What exactly is the story behind that? That is what I want to know from you.
Yeah, so sure, sir. It's good question for me. I'm very happy to talk about it. When it comes to Engineer Day, in India, Engineer Day is celebrated on every year on the 15th September to the honor of birth anniversary of Sir M. Visvesvaraya. He was the first civil engineer of the year. He makes he done so many projects like make dam and buildings, and he also awarded by Bharat Ratna.
Okay, you mean he was awarded Bharat Ratna. This is
Yes.
a great award. Every great person in India is given this award and for his greatest contribution. So as you told, he made his contribution, for irrigation and related infrastructure,
Yeah.
and he made several projects, and for that particular discovery he is known, and he's only known for his Sakkar dam that he made, and he was actually a civil engineer, and that is what you want to say.
Yes.
Okay, I have one more speaker joining us today. So joining us now, we have one more speaker, and I want to speak to you, Kiran. Exactly is the role of an engineer in our life? And actually every single person gets benefited by the inventions they have made for us. So I want to know from you, what are the roles and responsibilities of engineers in our life? Tell me something about that.
Yes, sir, it's a nice question for me. First of all, before I go ahead, engineer are the builders in our society, and I feel like they make roads and bridge and house. You know what, sir? engineer is very important in our life. The first thing that comes to my mind is engineers make trees and hospital in by making medicals. That's all about it.
Okay, joining me now, actually, we have four participants, and they had shown interest to be a part of this session based on Engineers Day. And I'm very happy that you all guys are participating in this tiny conversation we are having on engineers. So I'm very happy. I have one more speaker, and he wants to speak about engineers. So actually, India is a country. We have so many challenges. You know, India is facing a lot of challenges in terms of everything. So, in order to be a developed nation, India needs a lot of improvement in almost all the sectors. So, I want to talk to you. Rishikesh, engineers are there, but why do they flee from India? Why a brain drain issue is happening, and what exactly is the I think challenges India is facing when it comes to engineers? And talk in that respect. What do you want to add in this regard?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you, guys, all of you, for watching this video. And I am super excited and extremely happy to be a part of this conversation. And if I talk about engineers, today engineers are facing a lot of problems like that. India has facing brain drain problem just because in India has no facility to provide our engineer, and that's why engineers are going to another country, provides a lot of facility.
They remain there, and they have changed their nationality, and they are there. You
Yes.
can take example of Sundar Pichai. Actually, when you go and Google about him, you will find that the person has origin in India, but he is not an Indian. His nationality is American. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
as per the search and the result, we find all the engineers take birth here. But what exactly is the problem? They move from here, and why is India not holding them here in this country? So this is the problem of our country. We
Yes,
have
sir.
so many challenges. We have to overcome those challenges. That is the need of the time. So do you think what can be the solution, and what do you think is how can we overcome such challenges in our country?
Yeah, sir. Everybody knows what is challenges for engineer life, and everybody knows here is unemployment and unemployment increasing, and our government not providing good facility and high quality education, just because engineers and a lot of students are leaving our country. And it's a bad thing is that if I talk about improvement, then we should bring more high quality education, and more we should give more high quality facilities.
Okay, only then India can be a developed nation, you mean to say.
Yes.
Okay, coming to the next speaker of mine here joining this session, I have Jyotsna. So, moving towards the conclusion of this talk, I want to talk to you a little bit more about engineers and what exactly, actually, similar to the previous speaker, Rishikesh, I want to speak to you. What do you want to add about making India a great nation? In what way we can be a developed nation? And what role should engineers play? This is what I want to listen from you. Please go ahead and speak something.
As per this four speakers said, that we are not giving so many opportunities, facilities and internship or packages as basis of the studies. We have great professor, we have great education, and we do have a lot of engineers. One of our president, APJ Abdul Kalam, he was aeronautical engineer. He was also studied in Chennai. He has several jobs. He made missiles. He was known as Missile Man of India. I am very much inspired by him. I admired him, and it is because that engineers are someone that have a great brains, but due to the undergrading of peoples above their seniors, and having stereotype in societies, having extreme expectation of their own parents, they are willing to just like if you study 8 hours you have to be like 100 to 100, but they are not getting that because they remain go other countries, US and London based countries. Google, YouTube, Instagram, every social media we use is run by other countries. We do not have any platform of our own. That is a big reason why we are saying that people are going away from their own country, because there are no opportunities, no packages per annums or anything that will secure the future of theirs, because they study much more than anybody. Engineering is a tough subject, tough thing to do, like providing buildings, having a responsibility of hundreds of people crossing the road is not easy. That is why I think.
Okay,
Hmm.
so as per talks I have had with you, I have come to a conclusion, guys. The role of engineers, is very tough, and the kind of job they do must be given respect. And this day is totally devoted to them. And this is not the just the birth anniversary of Dr. Moksh Mukundam Visvesvaraya, but this is the day of engineers. We should give him respect, and every single engineer of this country should be respected, and we should be proud of our nation. Even if we have challenges, we are not far behind in the race. We have only the challenges, and very soon our country is going to be a developed nation. Our government is working hard day and night in order to make this nation technological hub, and very soon we are going to have the headquarters like YouTube and Facebook. Very soon India is going to be a tech hub, because our engineers are working day and night. So that's the end of this conversation. I am very happy to be a part of this session, and I'm very happy with the speakers to be here. And last but not the least, I want to speak to you, Jyotsna. What do you want to add? What was your experience with this conversation that we have had today?
That was wonderful, like talking about something precious and that is remarkable things of our nation. That was wonderful experience to talk about him, and it is a day dedicated to the innovation and resources, and that's
Right.
all. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Let us meet again with something